When we describe someone as naturally slim, it can be a misleading concept. While it's true that some individuals possess a genetically faster metabolism and lesser appetite, they do not represent the majority of people who are naturally slim. A healthy weight often results from conscious lifestyle choices. Let's explore these beyond genetics. Mindful eating. Mindful eaters listen to their internal hunger and satiety cues, rather than external influences like portion sizes or social pressure. They avoid emotional eating, which means they don't eat in response to emotions such as fear or happiness. These individuals also prefer nutrient-dense foods, which contain various components like vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers, and have fewer empty calories that provide little nutritional value, such as those from sugars. The key component of intuitive eating is recognizing physical cues of hunger and fullness and ignoring emotional cues. Physical hunger emerges gradually and is characterized by an empty stomach and a decrease in energy. Emotional hunger, on the other hand, appears suddenly and intensely, often triggered by emotions like stress, boredom, or sadness, and typically involves cravings for specific types of food, especially sugary ones, for a temporary pleasure boost. Post-emotional eating, individuals often experience negative feelings like guilt, shame, or regret. Unlike emotional hunger, physical hunger subsides with eating. Dietary choices. These individuals often include vegetables in their meals, typically eating them for dinner, and start their day with fruits. They usually limit processed snacks, opting for fruits or nuts instead. Whole foods, rich in essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, promote satiety with fewer calories, leading to longer-lasting fullness. Routine physical activity. Regular physical activities, such as walking, running, or cycling, are part of their daily routine. Exercise not only burns calories but also builds muscle, which in turn burns more calories and improves metabolism. Adequate sleep. A typical sleep duration of 7 to 8 hours is crucial as sleep regulates hormones affecting appetite and metabolism. For instance, the hormone leptin, released during sleep, induces satiety. Adequate sleep also reduces ghrelin levels, which stimulate hunger. Conversely, chronic sleep deprivation can increase cortisol, a stress hormone, leading to increased appetite. Positive body image and stress management. Naturally slim individuals often focus on overall well-being and appreciate their bodies as a whole, rather than fixating on appearance. They effectively manage stress through regular physical activities, spending time in nature, practicing yoga, and maintaining positive, healthy relationships. These practices lead to lower stress hormone levels, reduced appetite, and improved insulin sensitivity. Moreover, there's a correlation between cooking at home and maintaining a healthy weight. Homemade meals are usually healthier than fast food or pre-made meals, and cooking at home encourages mindful eating, as individuals are more likely to pay attention to the ingredients and preparation of their meals.